K.K. Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on industrial relations and labor enactments. The topic is Factories Act 1948. This is in series of the video tutorials on industrial relations and labor enactment. This is part 5. Now question number 1. The statutory welfare facilities are provided under dash A. Factories Act 1948, B. Mine Act 1952, C. Contract Labor Act 1970, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 2. Every factory has to provide adequate and suitable washing facilities separately for the use of male and female workers under dash of Factories Act. A. Section 41, B. Section 42, C. Section 43, D. Section 44. Correct option is B. Section 42. 3. Contract Labor Act provides that every contractor employing contract labor in connection with the work of an establishment has to provide and maintain washing facilities under dash A. Section 18 Clause A, B. Section 18 Clause B, C. Section 18 Clause C, D. Section 18 Clause D. Correct option is A. Section 18 Clause A. 4. In Factories Act under dash, a state government may make rules for provision of suitable places for keeping clothing not worn during working hours and for drying of wet clothing. A. Section 41, B. Section 42, C. Section 43, D. Section 44. Correct option is C. Section 43. Question number 5. Dash of factories may direct the occupier of any factory to provide suitable seating arrangements. A. Chief Inspector, B. HR Manager, C. Supervisor, D. Employer. Correct option is A. Chief Inspector. 6. First aid boxes in factory must not be less than dash for every 150 workers. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct option is A. 1. 7. For more than dash workers, an ambulance room of prescribed size and containing prescribed equipment is to be provided. A. 300, B. 400, C. 500, D. 600. Correct option is C. 500. 8. Dash have imposed an obligation on the owner of the mine to provide first aid rooms and first aid stations. A. Mines Rules 1955 deals with Rules 40 to 42. B. Mines Rules 1955 rules from 40 to 44. C. Mines Rule 1955 rules from 40 to 45. D. Mines Rules 1955 rules from 40 to 46. Correct option is C. Mines Rules 1955 rules from 40 to 45. 9. Mines rules have laid down that in every mine where more than dash persons are ordinarily employed, adequate and suitable shelters at or near loading wharfs are given. A. 50, B. 75, C. 100, D. 150. Correct option is A. 50. 10. Dash of the Maharashtra Factories Rules 1963 deal with canteens. A. Rules 78 to 85, B. Rules 79 to 85, C. Rules 80 to 85, D. Rules 81 to 85. Correct option is B. Rules 79 to 85. 11. The canteen is managed by Cooperative Society registered under dash A. Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960, B. Factories Act 1948, C. Contract Labor Act 1970, or D. Mines Act 1952. Correct option is A. Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960. 12. Labor Welfare recommended the following measures. A. The canteen should preferably be run by workers on cooperative basis. B. Credit facilities should be provided to the employees making use of the canteen services. C. Canteen should be situated in a clean and hygienic place and its kitchen counter as well. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 13. Need for the setting up creches in industrial establishment was stressed by Royal Commission on Labor in dash A 1930, B 1931, C 1932, D 1933. Correct option is B 1931. 14. Labor officer was instituted initially dash A to develop and improve labor administration in mills, B to serve as a liaison with the state labor commissioner, C to eliminate the evils and malpractices of the jobber system, D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. 15. Functions of a welfare officer under area of manpower management is dash A labor welfare, B labor administration, C labor relations, D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. 16. Comprehensive dock workers scheme has been framed for all major parts in administration by dash A HR manager, B chief advisor factories, C labor officer, D none of the above. Correct option is B chief advisor factories. 17. Canteen facility is mandatory if factory is employing more than dash workers, A 100, B 150, C 200, D 250. Correct option is D 250. 18. Creche should be provided if more than dash women work in a factory, A 25, B 30, C 35, D 40. Correct option is B 30. 19. According to Factories Act 1948, under dash facilities for storing and dry clothing is provided, A section 40, B section 41, C section 42, D section 43. Correct option is D section 43. 20. Factories Act of 1948 provides for the statutory appointment of a welfare officer in factory under A section 49 clause 1, B section 49 clause 2, C both A and B, D none of the above. Correct option is C both A and B. 21. Dash should be suitably amended so as to include deduction for credit to workers in respect of purchase made from canteen, A Wages Act 1936, B Maharashtra Factories Rules 1963, C Central Rules 1971, D Factories Act 1948. Correct option is A Wages Act 1936. 22. Statutory welfare facilities are except under A restroom, B crèche, C educational facilities, D first aid appliances. Correct option is C educational facilities. 23. Non-statutory welfare facilities are except on dash A medical facilities, B transport facilities, C canteen, D recreational facilities. Correct option is C canteen. 24. ILO recommendations on welfare facilities adopted in 1956 urged upon the member countries to take appropriate measures to encourage provision of dash A recreational facilities, B canteen, C medical facilities, D crèche. Correct option is A recreational facilities. 25. Recommendation made by Committee on Labour Welfare for improvement of recreational facilities are dash A need for providing recreational facilities to industrial employees, B trade unions should also actively associate with management for social and cultural activities, C industrial tours, D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. This was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.